Interpreting slope example. A bike shop at the beach rents bikes by the day to tourists. For a 3-day rental, the cost is $43 and the price for a 5-day rental is $64. Determine the rate of change or slope of the line through the points. So first we need to figure out what our points are. To do that, we're going to go back and look. We have this 3-day rental and it costs $43. So that's going to give me one of my points, which will be 343. In most cases, time is going to be our x value. Our cost here is our y because that's going to be our output. So if you input or use 3 days, then the output of that is it's costing $43. Then our second point will be our 5-day rental for $64. So $5.64. Then to do our calculations, we're going to use the slope formula. Remember that slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, that would be 64 minus 43 over 5 minus 3. When we subtract, 64 minus 43 is 21. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then since we are finding a rate of change, we're going to go ahead and divide those. That will be 10.5 or 10.5. So that would be our rate of change. Now remember, these all had units. So that y value, that was money. And our denominator, those were days. So this rate of change over here is really money per day. So when we interpret our rate of change in context, that $10.50 that we got in our numerator is going to be the first part that we're going to really use. So we would say that the bike shop charges $10.50 per day to rent a bike. Now notice I wrote $10.50, not 10.5, because we are talking about money. So money has 2 decimal places. So make sure when you're writing things with units, you write them properly.